moments. Graph of durations, grid on which we move. Cut each line on the grid down to where thought stops. When a line is cut into many parts, no matter how many the parts, something will be left. One can never cut into the last unit. The hare will never conclude the race which is his love. Each moment is divided, cut down further, closer to impossibility. He runs and is still. Ah yes, my hand reaches toward you, reaches and will not reach. Yet even in the photograph, how evident that water has already bathed the wound. Perhaps it's that very moment when the child raises her head with its shock of auburn hair to look up at the sky, a look that's immediately cancelled by the sun's too intense brightness. Or perhaps it's another selection of time, not an afternoon's blue, but a dawn completely red-orange. Cry out in the midst of it.